The difference between thinking about having no school all summer and actually having no school all summer is like the difference between thinking about eating gummy bears and actually eating them. I mean, when you think about gummy bears and imagine eating them, it's so easy to remember how sweet they are and how chewy, and that they're really, really good. I mean, gummy bears are really good. But the truth is, the only thing that imagining eating gummy bears does for you is make you even hungrier for gummy bears. But on the other hand, imagining not having any school all summer, actually not having school all summer, I forget what I was going to say. Does anyone have any gummy bears?
Some people think I don't like sharing, but that isn't true at all. I love sharing. I mean, what's not to love about being able to go up to somebody and say, hey, can I have some of that candy? And then they give you some. Oh, hey, can I ride your bike for a while? And then you get to ride their bike. Sharing is awesome. Sometimes you have to be careful though. Like if someone comes up to me and says, hey, can I have a cookie? Well, if I give them a cookie, then I wouldn't really have any cookies left to share with anybody else. And that would be like the opposite sharing. So I have to say no, because sharing is really important.
Hey man, I got some really great stuff here to dehydrate. I got some grapes, some apricots. I thought it'd be really cool to see what happens with these water balloons.
Get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out!
What?
You, move out. Take your small stupid fruit and get out!
You really want me to get out?
Uh-huh.
Hey man, I gotta tell you, this is kinda out of the blue, don't you think?
This is not out of the blue. It's smack down the middle of the blue!
Hey man, take it easy. Alright, tell me twice. You want me to leave? I'll be back tomorrow for my stuff.
But if you think for 1 second I'm leaving along with my fish, you're insane, Jack.
You want some help?
No help required, Chico. So what does that make you, huh? Good? You ain't good. You just know how to hide, how to lie. But you see me? I don't have that problem. I always tell the truth, even when I lie. So say goodbye to the bad guy. This the last time you ever gonna see a bad guy like this again. Come on, make way for the bad guy. There's a bad guy coming through. Better get out of his way.